everyone, and welcome back to Shell's Glam Home. Well, today I'm excited to share a beauty room reveal. I've just transformed my beauty room and I thought I'd share it with you. I hope you enjoy. This is my beauty room, guys. Now, it is actually a small room, so I didn't have a lot of space to work with, but I left my blush pink chair in here because I absolutely love it. And it was the theme of what I was aiming for in this room. Now, I originally had this hot pink wallpaper, but I decided that I wanted to remove this and start clean and fresh with a new feature wall. After quite a few hours, I removed the wallpaper with some wallpaper remover that I got from Bunnings. I then washed down my walls and had them nice and ready for the transformation of the new wallpaper. Guys, a few weeks ago I was on eBay and absolutely fell in love with this tufted headboard style wallpaper. This wasn't a pre-pasted wallpaper, guys, so I picked up some wallpaper glue from Bunnings as well, and I started to add it to the walls. Now, I purchased 2 rolls of 10 meters. I used the first roll and then only had to use 1 length of the second roll. So here we are at the entrance to my beauty room with my DIY Chanel angel wings on the front door, and here is my beauty room reveal. Now guys, as I said, it is a small room and I tried to make use of what I could work with. As I'm a glam girl at heart, I wanted this room to be so girly and so glam, and I think I achieved that with a lot of my DIY projects as well as my tufted style furniture. If you follow me on Instagram, you will know that I love my eyelash cushions. I purchased these from a store called My Lash Design on Instagram, and I'll leave a link to their account down below. So many people ask me, Shell, what do you do with your DIYs? Well, this is the room where I display them, guys. Everything you see here I made, and I'll leave links to all those videos down below. My beauty room, guys, is my 5th bedroom in my house, but it's actually right near my daughter's room. She's 18 years old and she absolutely loves how she can just walk out of her room and straight into this room to do her makeup. The wallpaper, guys, was one of those DIY projects that took up quite a few hours. I think the most tedious part of it was removing the old wallpaper. But I was so happy with the result, guys. Now, if you want to see how to install wallpaper, I didn't actually film the installation of this, but it's pretty straightforward. It just takes up a few hours. This one, as I said, it needed its own paste, which cost me something like $12, that you just mix up with water and you roll it on the back of the wallpaper and attach it to the wall. So it is pretty straightforward, but just takes a little bit of time with the cutting and so forth. I also decided to add a sheet of that wallpaper to my desk. Now, at the moment it's just glued on there, but I'm planning on getting a piece of glass cut to size to protect it, and that way I can put my makeup and so forth on top. This is my DIY fake cake, guys, that I made out of cardboard boxes. I'll leave a link to that video down below if you'd like to see how I made that. These two glitter signs were a purchase quite a few years ago from Big W here in Australia, and the round high heel canvas is from TK Maxx. My Hollywood mirror is also a purchase from eBay, and it also comes with a dimmer light. And my little bags that hold my makeup brushes, the Victoria's Secret and Chanel ones, are from an Instagram store. Now they're called the Little Wooden Box Shop, and I'll leave all their information in the description down below. Now my Marilyn Monroe chair was a DIY, and I'll also leave a link to that video down below. The thing I love most about my beauty room, guys, is that it didn't cost me a lot. Majority of this stuff are DIYs. And for example, my Marilyn Monroe chair is a thrift store find. So the only high-end thing really in here is the Hollywood mirror. So thank you so much for watching, guys. I truly hope you've enjoyed this video. I hope I've inspired you in some small way to decorate your very own beauty room. Remember, guys, shop those thrift stores, do DIY projects. It's amazing how much money you can save when you put your thinking cap on. Now I'll try and leave as much information as I possibly can, guys, down below where I purchased everything. So if you have a question, just check out that description bar and hopefully I'll be able to answer it for you in there. Don't forget, guys, to like, share and subscribe to my channel, because I'll be back real soon with more DIY projects, inspirational ideas and room tours here at Shell's Glam Home. Also, guys, don't forget that Shell's aiming for that 20,000 subscribers by Christmas. So I'd so appreciate you sharing and subscribing to my channel, because I want to announce such a wonderful giveaway at 20,000. So don't forget to hit that subscribe button and we can get that giveaway underway. So until next time, my friends, I thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye, guys.